So I often feel like I'm such an imposter because I run a tech company and I can't even, figure out how to make Netflix work on my television in my living room. And so the answer to your question is that in terms of the experience for the customer, it is a deeply human experience because it's tutors that are video conferencing through our secure platform, meeting one-on-one with kids and doing direct instruction that is synchronous. There is no app per se. And what we've figured out how to do at Ignite Reading that is unique in our space is how to scale something that is so human intensive. And typically in EdTech, what you have are a lot of software products, and it's pretty easy to scale a software product. But the problem is that you can't get the quality of outcomes because the act of learning to read is hard.